Welcome to my channel, and today I bring you something so extraordinary that it completely redefines what we think luxury travel should be. Imagine taking the heart and soul of a Bugatti Chiron, one of the fastest, most powerful supercars ever, built, and transforming it into a motorhome that isn't just about speed, but about living like royalty on the road. This is more than just a vehicle. It's a rolling masterpiece, a five-star hotel infused with the DNA of a hypercar, built to thrill and spoil you in ways you never imagined. The moment you lay your eyes on it, the sleek aerodynamic lines, the bold Bugatti styling, and the roar of its powerful engine remind you this isn't your ordinary RV. It's the world's fastest motorhome, and what's inside will simply leave you breathless. Step into the kitchen, and you're instantly transported into a gourmet chef's dream. This isn't a cramped corner with basic appliances. This is a fully designed luxury space crafted with elegance and functionality. Gleaming stainless steel fittings meet rich carbon fiber accents, seamlessly blending Bugatti's design ethos with practicality. There's a full-sized refrigerator, a high-end induction cooktop, and even a smart oven that can be controlled with a touch of your phone. Cabinets are finished in fine leather with diamond stitching, echoing the Chiron's interior, while hidden storage solutions make sure every inch is used efficiently. Imagine preparing a world-class meal while parked by the ocean, knowing that your kitchen isn't just functional, it's as stylish and performance-driven as the Bugatti name itself. Move into the bedroom, and you'll find a sanctuary that embodies both comfort and luxury. Here, the designers have crafted a space where speed meets serenity. A plush king-sized bed, upholstered in hand-stitched leather and wrapped in premium silk bedding, promises the kind of rest you'd expect from the finest hotels. Ambient LED lighting creates a calming atmosphere, customizable to your mood, whether you want a soft golden glow for relaxation or a cooler blue for a modern futuristic vibe. Large panoramic windows give you breathtaking views of wherever you've chosen to stop, be it a mountain range, a city skyline, or a serene lakeside. This isn't just a bedroom. It's a retreat that travels with you, combining Bugatti's luxury craftsmanship with ultimate coziness. Then there's the bathroom, which completely shatters expectations of what a motorhome can offer. Forget tiny cramped showers and limited amenities. This is a spa on wheels. Step inside and you're greeted by marble effect walls, rainfall shower heads, and heated flooring for that extra touch of indulgence. A smart mirror with integrated displays gives you weather updates, news, or even entertainment as you freshen up. The sink and fittings are sculpted with precision, blending modern design with pure elegance, while premium toiletries and ample storage make it feel less like a bathroom and more like a private spa suite. Every detail whispers sophistication, making this space a daily reminder that you're not just traveling, you're experiencing a new standard of luxury living. And as we close this incredible tour, it's clear the Bugatti Chiron motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a revolution in how we think about travel. It's a masterpiece that takes the thrill of the world's fastest hypercar and merges it with the comfort and luxury of a five-star resort. From the kitchen designed for gourmet creations, to the bedroom that promises unrivaled relaxation, and the spa-like bathroom that pampers you on every journey, this motorhome proves that Bugatti doesn't just build cars, they build dreams on wheels. So, would you take this hyper-luxury motorhome on your next adventure?